Morning, everybody. I wanted to take a minute and record a tutorial on how to fill out your timesheet paycheck every 2 weeks. So this is the main thing that we did on Friday, February 5th. So if you were absent, it was kind of a tough day to be absent because we went through this as a class. But let me break it down for you. So every time we have a payday, there's going to be a sheet that looks like this. So I'm going to use Nia's as an example. So Nia in the past 10 days has made $540 from coming to class and participating. And then she's made $53 from her classwork. So altogether, she has $593. So how does she find that out? How does she know? You go on What's Next on Google Classroom, that's the topic, and then you pull up the running chart. This is the first one. This is the one that we have going for the next pay period. So you pull up this first one. Then once she knows her amount, she's ready to fill out her paycheck. So you click on this form and it's going to bring you to this. So if I was Nia, here's exactly what I would do. So she's going to put her first and last name. She's in 7th period. And then she's going to break down her points. So she made $593. That is her gross pay, which means that's the amount that she makes before taxes are taken out. So what she then has to do is take taxes out. So she's going to take $593 and multiply it by 0.062. What she's going to get then, do some math here. $593 times 0.062 is going to put her at $36.77. That's her FICA tax. Then she has to do the same process for her state tax. So the state needs things from us too, as far as money to fund state level programs. So the state is going to take $17.79 out of her paycheck. Then she goes to the last category, which is Medicare. So again, she takes 593 times 0.02 to be exact. And she does her math and she gets $11.86. Now, those are all of her deductions. So she's got to circle back and she's going to add up 3677 plus 1779 plus $11.86. All of those numbers together are going to be her total deductions, the total amount of money that the government is going to take to fund federal, state, and Medicare programs. So those three together are going to be $66.42. So now she knows how much is being taken out in taxes. So she's going to go back up, remind herself of her gross pay, which is $593. So to find out her paycheck amount, she is going to subtract $66.42 from $593. $593 minus 66.42 is going to leave her with $526.58. This is her net pay, the amount of money we get to take home after the government takes taxes out. So that brings her to her last step. She is ready to deposit her paycheck into her bank account. So we'll pull up our check register and deposit it. This is going to be the amount of money we have in order to pay for things that will come up in class. So she's going to pull up her check register and everyone gets $1,000 from me. You're welcome to start off your journey. So again, her amount was $526.58. So she's going to take out $526.58 from her total, her running total. Actually, she's going to put it in because she gets the money. So $1,526.58. Now she got a speeding ticket, so she's got to pay for that. That's going to leave her with $1,501.58. So every time that we get paid, there's going to be things that we have to pay for and things that we can put into our bank account. This document is what we're going to use every time so we can keep track of how much money we have. If you have questions, let me know.